As we navigate life, our skin evolves naturally. Fine lines may become more pronounced. Our skin's elasticity might soften. It's a time for renewed skincare dedication. Embrace natural beauty and support our skin. Feel confident and beautiful at any age. In a world saturated with skincare options, BeFabLuxx emerges as a beacon of innovation and accessibility. The BeFabLuxx micro-infusion system isn't just another product. It's a revolution in at-home skincare, designed to deliver professional-grade results within the comfort of your own home. For years, microneedling has been a sought-after treatment in dermatology clinics, renowned for its ability to stimulate collagen production and rejuvenate the skin. BeFabLuxx harnesses this cutting-edge technology and makes it available to everyone. Imagine achieving a smoother, firmer, more youthful complexion without ever having to step foot in a clinic. The BeFabLuxx micro-infusion system is more than just a microneedling tool. It's a complete skincare regimen. The system includes specially formulated serums designed to synergistically enhance the microneedling process. These serums are packed with potent ingredients that penetrate deep into the skin, maximizing their effectiveness and delivering visible results. BeFabLuxx empowers you to take control of your skincare journey. It's about achieving real, noticeable results without breaking the bank or disrupting your busy schedule. It's about feeling confident and beautiful in your own skin every day. At the heart of the BeFabLuxx micro-infusion system lies the magic of microneedling, a minimally invasive procedure that has taken the skincare world by storm. But how does this innovative technique actually work its magic on our skin? Imagine a gentle, yet effective awakening of your skin's natural rejuvenation process. The BeFabLuxx micro-infusion tool, equipped with tiny sterile needles, creates microchannels on the skin's surface. These microchannels are not cause for alarm. They are actually tiny pathways that signal to your skin to kickstart its natural healing and collagen production processes. Collagen, the protein responsible for our skin's firmness and elasticity, naturally depletes as we age. Microneedling with BeFabLuxx encourages your skin to replenish its collagen stores, resulting in a plumper, smoother, and more youthful appearance. The beauty of microneedling with BeFabLuxx lies in its ability to enhance the effectiveness of your skincare products. By creating these microchannels, BeFabLuxx allows your serums and moisturizers to penetrate deeper into the skin, maximizing their benefits and delivering visible results. Section 4. The Power of Infusion, Delivering Youthful Radiance. The BeFabLuxx micro-infusion system doesn't stop at microneedling. It takes skincare to the next level with its specially formulated serums, designed to work in perfect harmony with the microneedling process. These serums are not your average skincare products. They are packed with potent, active ingredients carefully selected to address specific skin concerns, such as fine lines, wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, and loss of elasticity. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid, peptides, and antioxidants work synergistically to plump, hydrate, and protect your skin. The magic happens when these powerful serums meet the microchannels created by the BeFabLuxx tool. The serums are able to penetrate deeper into the skin, reaching the layers where they can have the greatest impact. This allows for maximum absorption and effectiveness, delivering visible results that you can see and feel. This unique combination of microneedling and targeted serum infusion is what sets BeFabLuxx apart. It's about delivering the right ingredients to the right place at the right time, maximizing their efficacy and unlocking your skin's true potential. Section 5. BeFabLuxx Benefits, a symphony of skin rejuvenation. The BeFabLuxx micro-infusion system is more than just a skincare routine. It's a transformative experience that addresses a multitude of skin concerns, revealing a smoother, brighter, and more youthful complexion. One of the most remarkable benefits of BeFabLuxx is its ability to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. By stimulating collagen production, BeFabLuxx helps plump up the skin, diminishing the appearance of those telltale signs of aging. But the benefits don't stop there. BeFabLuxx also works wonders on skin texture, minimizing the appearance of pores and creating a smoother, more refined canvas. Whether you're dealing with rough patches, uneven skin tone, or acne scars, BeFabLuxx can help you achieve a more flawless complexion. And if you're concerned about hyperpigmentation, those pesky dark spots that can appear after years of sun exposure, BeFabLuxx can help fade their appearance, revealing a brighter, more even skin tone. The BeFabLuxx micro-infusion system is like a symphony of skin rejuvenation, addressing multiple concerns simultaneously and revealing your most radiant self. Section 6. Simple, affordable, effective. Embracing the BeFabLuxx difference. In a world of expensive skincare treatments and complicated routines, BeFabLuxx stands out for its simplicity, affordability, and effectiveness. Unlike professional microneedling treatments, which can cost hundreds of dollars per session, BeFabLuxx brings the luxury of this technology to your fingertips at a fraction of the price. You can achieve professional-grade results in the comfort of your own home without having to book appointments or spend a fortune. But affordability doesn't mean compromising on quality. BeFabLuxx uses high-quality materials and advanced technology to ensure both safety and effectiveness. The needles are sterile and precisely engineered to deliver optimal results without causing damage to the skin. And the best part? The BeFabLuxx micro-infusion system is incredibly easy to use. The tool is ergonomically designed for comfortable handling, and the step-by-step instructions make it simple to incorporate into your skincare routine. BeFabLuxx is proof that you don't have to sacrifice quality or break the bank to achieve youthful, radiant skin. It's about empowering you to take control of your skincare journey with a system that is both effective and accessible to all. Section 7. Integrating BeFabLuxx. Your personalized journey to radiant skin. Integrating the BeFabLuxx micro-infusion system is easier than you think. Unlock the full potential of this revolutionary system for radiant skin. Start by cleansing your skin thoroughly. Ensure your skin is free of makeup, dirt, and oil. Apply a thin layer of BeFabLuxx serum. Target fine lines, wrinkles, or hyperpigmentation. BeFabLuxx has a serum for your needs. Now it's time for the magic. Glide the BeFabLuxx tool across your skin. You may feel a slight tingling sensation. Apply another layer of serum post-treatment. Follow up with moisturizer and sunscreen. Start slowly, using the system once or twice a week. Listen to your skin and adjust as needed. With BeFabLuxx, you're in control of your skincare journey.